What is up, guys? It's Max Merck here, and today I'm very excited to show you guys a product that I think many of you will find very useful. Now, Apple CarPlay has been out for quite a while now, and it's starting to become a standard feature on a lot of cars. And of course, for a very good reason. You know, I personally love it. Everyone I've talked to loves CarPlay who has it. You know, it very seamlessly integrates your phone onto your car's infotainment system, and it also is a little less distracting. You know, you don't have to look at your phone for anything you need to do while you're driving. Now, all these CarPlay systems require you to plug your phone directly into the car. So a wired connection is the only way you can run Apple CarPlay in most cars. But with this product, the CarPlay to Air, you can take your wired CarPlay connection and turn it into a wireless CarPlay connection. Rather than having to plug in your phone via the cord every single time you get into the car, you can just hop in and wirelessly connect your phone to Apple CarPlay. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate the CarPlay to Air for you guys on our VW Jetta. As you can see, all of the Mercedes here are way before Apple CarPlay ever came out. So this 2019 Jetta came with it standard. Traditionally, CarPlay is connected via a USB cord, as you can see plugged in right here. It's just a standard iPhone Lightning cable. You just plug it in and it goes ahead and connects. Now let's jump into the CarPlay to Air. It does come with very nice packaging. These do retail for $129.95, and they support a long list of manufacturers that you can find on the CarPlay to Air website. Additionally, they fit a couple aftermarket head units from Alpine, Kenwood, Pioneer, Sony, and JVC. Now, the CarPlay to Air is a traditional USB, but you can use USB-C with an adapter. Inside the box, it's very straightforward. You lift it up and you have a user manual as well as the CarPlay to Air device. Now you can lose your traditional cable and plug in the CarPlay to Air module. There is a red LED at the bottom. On the car, it says that there is a new device detected. Do you want to connect Apple CarPlay? I will click connect. On the screen, we get use a Bluetooth connection or connect with the USB. So there is also a traditional USB port down here if you do want to connect with the USB, but the whole point is to do it wirelessly. On your iOS device, you can go ahead into the settings app, then to Bluetooth, and you should see Volks SW as it says, and it says connected, and now we have CarPlay connected. On the iPhone, it says use CarPlay or not now. We're gonna hit use CarPlay, and it will go ahead, and right now it still says connecting. And now we have CarPlay wirelessly. So you can see that it shows the battery percentage of what the phone is at, so it is no longer charging, and everything works as it should. So I can go into the Volkswagen infotainment system if I want, or back into CarPlay. It works very seamlessly. We can go into the calendar app. Everything works. Siri works. If I go click right here. What is the weather tomorrow?
Expect some clear skies tomorrow. The high will be 91 degrees, and the low will be 70.
And with a device connected, there is a blue LED that flashes. Overall, the device is very seamless. You can just tuck it away wherever your USB port is and it blends in, no problem. And you do get that seamlessness of having wireless. So as soon as you get in the car, instead of having to plug it in, I can just plop my phone down wherever, start the car, and it is already there. Wow, that was very fast. I'm amazed at how fast that already started up. So one more time, you can see the phone is right there. The car is off. You can see how fast it loads up. That's incredible. And everything works as it should. So if you guys drive a CarPlay equipped vehicle, this is definitely something that will make your life a lot easier and the overall CarPlay experience way more seamless. I will go ahead and put a link in the description to the CarPlay to Air website so you guys can check out the manufacturers that it supports, and the device retails for $129.95. And overall, I'm just so stunned at how fast it loaded up, because before, even when you get in and plug it in, it would take a couple seconds to load. But this, as soon as you get in the car, it's loaded right up. Let me know what you guys think of the CarPlay to Air down in the comments section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps, and hit that subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.